Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. It's your girl Raquel here with another open invite. You guessed it, St. Patrick's Day, Tablescape 20. Okay, let's get into the rules. So, the title you're going to name your tablescape is St. Patrick's Day Tablescape 20. But you're going to use the hashtag the luck of the Irish 20. The time to upload will be anytime after 7 a.m. on Saturday, March the 7th, 2020. The rules will be you would have to mention my channel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will provide you the link in the description below. You just copy, paste, and put into your description box. The colors are green and white and a touch of gold. Okay? Items that you will need to have on your table is a 4-leaf clover or a leprechaun. You can have both if you choose to, or you can have one or the other. So again, 4-leaf clover or a leprechaun. The twist to this open invite, we are asking that you include a food or a drink in the color green. So get ready to prepare the luck of the Irish 20. St. Patrick's Day is actually March the 17th. So I'm asking that everybody upload their video by Saturday, March the 7th. So that gives viewers that come onto YouTube 10 extra days to view our tables and maybe have some ideas that they want to use or, utilize in their home. So once again, the title is St. Patrick's Day Tablescape 20. The luck of the Irish 20 is the hashtag. You mention my name, Kel, and if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it in the description. The colors are green and white, a touch of gold, and have a 4-leaf clover or a leprechaun. And for the food or drink, you're going to have something green, and it's due Saturday, March the 7th. Again, like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're just dropping by, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button. And leave me a comment down below and tell me the luck of the Irish 20 that you're in to participate with the open invite. I would appreciate everybody's support. And I will see y'all on March the 7th with your beautiful greens and whites and a touch of gold. The luck of the Irish tablescape. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.